This glare is not right.
The court calls the matter of Hardwick versus Hamilton, case number 2017-6493-DP. All parties and attorneys, please state their name and appearance for the record, starting with the plaintiff, Shauna.
Shauna Hardwick.
Your name, sir?
Javante Hamilton.
Good afternoon, everyone. This matter is being done by remote technology. The contents of this video may be official record of a proceeding of the State of Michigan's Ninth Judicial Circuit. Unauthorized duplication, distribution, or alteration of said content is strictly prohibited. Today's date and time set for a objection to the referee's recommended order. It was filed in this case by Mr. Hamilton. Mr. Hamilton, there was a referee's hearing that you did not appear for. It was based on your motion, correct?
Correct.
Okay, and you said you had notice. You didn't have notice. Is that correct?
That is correct.
Okay. Well, it was only a 3-minute hearing, so basically it looks like the referee dismissed your motion because you weren't there. Any problem with refiling your motion?
No.
You are capable of doing that, and you are able to do that. It was the referee's recommended order. Miss Hardwick, you were there. It looks like it went on the record at 11:12 and ended at 11:15, and she just dismissed the motion filed by Mr. Hamilton, correct?
Correct.
Okay. So I'm going to uphold the referee's order. If you want to file your motion exactly as is again, you can do that. Okay?
Okay.
So
But
any
for some
problems
reason,
doing that?
for some reason, I didn't get it. I think because I had an address change, I just simply didn't get
Did
it.
you update the court?
Yes, I did.
Okay. What is are you at Candlewick now?
Yes, I am, and I know, and I made that change before then. But for some reason, the objection came to my old address, so
Okay.
I'm not sure what. Yeah, I'm not sure what
Well,
happened there.
She didn't take testimony. She just said, you're not here. I'm dismissing your motion. So if you want to refile it, you can. If you two want to work something out, you can. Okay?
So I have to pay $100 again.
You can ask for a waiver of fees if you want. Make sure that gets to me. Okay? But yeah, I don't want Miss Hardwick to miss school or work. I don't know if you work, ma'am, but if you're going to file something, we got to make sure you're here to do the hearing, okay?
Okay.
It's for both of you. So if you
Okay.
file something, make sure you're here. But now that we have your address updated, shouldn't be a problem. But the referee didn't do an evidentiary hearing. It just was your motion was dismissed because you failed to appear. You can make a motion to reinstate that, or you can file a new motion. It's your decision.
You said I could make a motion to reinstate that. What is that supposed to mean?
That's when you can say there was a reason why you weren't here. I'm not sure if that'll be granted or not, or you could just file the motion.
No, I did that already. This is why we're on the video call. We were set up for a voice call, but they turned it into this video call so that we can fix the problem.
Okay. All I know is that the referee did a 3-minute hearing, and the only reason you were dismissed your motion on June 25th, 2021 is because you failed to appear. And therefore, you couldn't sustain your burden of proof. So you can refile, and you can ask for a waiver of fees if you choose to do so.
So see, but I already did this. They already wrote a whole motion and everything. I wrote an appeal already. I already did an appeal. I already went through all of this. That's why we're on the video. I don't understand. I did the
What part don't you understand?
I already did this. And my kids are not about to be in school because of this. They're not in school in Indiana. And then now we're setting this back some more. They're gonna miss school some more for a second year
Sir,
straight.
you filed, hold on. On April 2nd, you filed a motion to change custody, correct?
Yes.
Okay. That's the one you didn't show up for.
Right. So I did a appeal and they set this up.
Yeah, you filed an objection to the referee recommended order, and that's what I'm doing today. I'm listening to your objection. You don't have a legal reason why you didn't show up for the hearing.
Because you guys didn't send it to me. You guys sent it to you guys didn't send it to me. I didn't receive it at all. That's not fair. I didn't receive it. The only letter that I received.
Are you at 306 Candlewick?
Yes, they didn't have nothing correct. They didn't send it to me. They didn't send it to me.
Did you update the courts immediately when you moved?
Immediately. My old address should not even have been on file anymore. They sent the
Okay. What I'll do is I'll have this matter set with the referee again. Okay?
So what's that about?
You're gonna have your hearing. You both better show up. You'll get it set. It's not for today to be set.
Right. Okay.
So,
I have a concern because every child my son age is starting school today. He's not in school. He's here with me. I'm trying to get it. I'm trying to figure out if I could get him in school tomorrow or what's going on. He's already missed the whole year last year.
Because you won't give the kids back.
okay. So the last order is in place. Who's supposed to have the children?
Me, but he won't return the kids to me.
Okay. Sir, is the order supposed to be with her? Give me the last
Yeah.
order, please. Print it out.
Yes, but he won't
Sir?
return the kids. I tried to get them the last couple weeks and he won't give them back.
Okay. Sir, where does the kids order to be?
They are to be with her, but she hasn't came and gotten them. She doesn't have
You
any
won't
gas.
let me. My
Excuse
grandma
me.
will give me gas money.
Oh my goodness.
You won't let me.
Ma'am?
I tried to get him for a couple
Stop
weeks.
it! Stop it, both of you. Do not say a word to each other. Ma'am, stop it. Am I clear?
Okay.
Good. Sir, the order says she's supposed to have the children. You say she won't come get her. Let's set up a time to exchange the children now.
Okay, that's fine.
Okay. And then I'll get it set with the referee. You both can argue your case, and then a decision can be made as to where the kids, if it'll change. You have the burden, sir. So, you say the children are supposed to be with mom. Let's get them to mom so nobody gets in trouble for violating court orders. So, you live in Indiana. Where in Indiana?
Crawfordsville, Indiana.
Okay. Where do you live, ma'am?
Crawfordsville, Indiana.
What town?
Crawfordsville.
And where's that closest city?
Lafayette.
Okay, so it's about 2.5 hours, right?
About, 2.5 to 3 hours.
Okay, the order, I don't have the order in front of me, if you could print that. We're trying to find it. Sir, if you agree the mom should have the children, let's make this happen. So where could you meet in the middle? Can both of you meet in the middle to exchange the children?
Yeah, I can meet in Michigan City tomorrow.
Sir, can you meet in Michigan City tomorrow?
She's about 4 hours away. I don't think I can drive to Michigan City. I work 12-hour days every day.
I will come to
You're not
Kalamazoo
working
to get
today.
the
How
kids.
did you get the time? Ma'am, please.
Okay, sorry.
Impress me by, thank you. Sir, if you're off today, when can you get off? When is your next day off?
I'm on first shift Monday through Friday.
Okay, is that 7 to 3:30?
Yes, it is.
Okay. Can you meet at Michigan City at about 7 o'clock at night?
Man, that's far.
Well, that's somewhere in the middle of here in Lafayette. Do you have a car that can do that?
She's in Crawfordsville, Indiana. That's not Lafayette. That's 4 hours away.
Sir, if you can get her to get the children to Michigan City, it's her business how to get the children home. I'm going to trust her as a mother to do it safely. So can you meet at 7 o'clock in Michigan City?
7 o'clock, Michigan City. All right.
Okay. Ma'am, where in Michigan City?
The police station, please.
Have you folks met there before?
No, but I'm a little afraid for my safety.
Do you have an address?
I'll get it right now.
Okay.
Yes, it's 1201 East Michigan Boulevard, Michigan City, 46360.
Okay. Sir, did you get that?
Yes.
Okay. 1201 East Michigan Boulevard, Michigan City, Indiana, 46360. We're going to say 7 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. I don't remember if Michigan City is in a different time zone. Okay. How many children are being dropped off?
3.
Okay. And then what is his parenting time in the previous court order?
Just the standard Kalamazoo parenting time.
So he gets every other weekend?
Yes.
And we'll continue to meet in Michigan City at the police station to make sure that happens. Will that work for you, sir?
No, I'm afraid for my safety. Shauna wants the cops to that's not a good idea for me. She threatens the cops on me all the time. It's just not a good location for me. I don't feel safe doing that.
Well, then where would you like to meet to feel safe?
My mom met her at gas stations a few times, something like that. But the police stations, I'm being threatened enough. I'll, just exchange.
Okay. Give me a second. There is a Meijer in Michigan City. Correct?
Yes.
Okay. Could you meet at the Meijers?
Yes, I can. That's a lot safer for me.
Okay. So I got the address here, 5150 Franklin Street, Michigan City, Indiana, 46360. Okay. So we'll do the drop off at 7 o'clock tomorrow. And after that, all prior orders remain in effect, with the exception of I'll put the drop off and pickups will be at 7 o'clock at the Meijer in Indiana. Michigan City, Indiana, okay? Eastern Standard Time. Does that work for everybody?
Your
Yes.
Honor, what about my safety? Because we have a lot of domestic violence history.
Great. You'll meet behind row 15 at the Meijer. You two will have to argue this in the court of law, but I want my orders followed. If there are any issues, I have no problem putting either one of you in jail if you can't follow my orders. Okay. So you'll be behind aisle 15 at the Meijer in Indiana on 5150 Franklin Street. You should feel safe at the Meijer. It's public, okay?
Okay.
So I just want the children where they're supposed to be. I don't mean great that there's a history of domestic violence. I don't know what the truth is. You two need to figure that out in court. Okay. But I want you both, you're in a public place. It's on video. The cameras are there in the parking lot. If he follows you to your car, sir, you're going to have a lot of problems. If you don't show up, ma'am, or I see you harassing him, you're going to have a lot of problems. Okay. I don't play games.
Okay.
And if you're in jail, ma'am, he's going to have the kids. And sir, if you're in jail, she's going to have the kids. So we're going to
Yes,
get
sir.
along. If there's enough of a relationship to have 3 kids, you can be mature for a drop off and pickup that is on video, and there are witnesses there. Okay?
Okay,
Yes, sir.
absolutely.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'm not altering the prior order. I'm just doing the 7 o'clock drop off and pickups. Okay. I want to get the children following the order. Now, sir, I'll get your motion set back with the referee. They'll notice it out to both of you. That's your chance for both of you to argue what you need to argue to get custody and parenting time of the kids. Okay.
Okay.
Does
Does
that work for everybody?
Yes,
Yeah.
it does. I just have one concern about their education. Everybody's starting school right now. As far as my acknowledgement, they are not enrolled in school right now, and I'm just worried. I don't know, they missed all school year last year. I'm trying to get them on the education path here. Kalamazoo has a promise. Shauna's a stay-at-home mom. I'm a factory worker. I feel like they could benefit from the Kalamazoo promise in the future.
Okay.
I'm really worried about their education right now. And if this is pushed out some more, they are gonna miss more education. Every day is critical.
Hold
Every
on.
day.
Hold on. What are the ages of the children?
2, 3, and 4.
Okay, there is no education requirement for age 2, 3, and 4. The Kalamazoo Promise does not start until kindergarten, 1st grade. So you're way ahead of the curve on there. If they're at daycare or stay at home or preschool, for the 4-year-old, that's a possibility. But in the state of Michigan, preschool is not mandated. Okay?
Right. Well, our son is just kind of behind. Sorry. I just wanted to.
Well, that's unfortunate if that's the case, but there is no mandate for school of 2, 3, and 4. But, ma'am, you should have a plan. And, sir, if you get custody, you should have a plan.
Yes.
Okay? So the drop-off will occur tomorrow. I'll get this matter reset for father's motion to change custody that was dismissed because he failed to appear. We have the address on record. Mistakes may have happened. I don't know. So I'll give him the benefit of the doubt, and we'll set his motion regarding custody that was filed on April 2nd in front of the referee again. Okay? Please behave. If I'm not taking sides, both of you may be great people, but together it seems like it doesn't work so well. So let's get along, admire. Let's get these kids knowing that they're loved by 2 parents. And then you guys can disagree in private, but I want to make sure the kids know everything's going well, and we'll just get these exchanges done at Meyer, okay?
Thank you.
All right, anything else by anybody? All prior orders not affected today remain in effect, and we will get an order out. And please, good luck with the exchanges tomorrow.
Thank you.
All right.